In this video, we'll see how to hide the grid lines from Excel. The grid lines are these delimiters right here that we use to identify what cell we're on. These are these thin kind of gray borders that Excel offers us, and sometimes we have scenarios where we don't need these grid lines and we would like them to be hidden. And I have a scenario right here. I have this worksheet where I have a dashboard with some made up data, and I don't really need to have grid lines for the dashboard. It doesn't look so good, and if I would like to remove them, I kind of have two options. The first option I've seen is to select everything in the cell by clicking on this arrow right here, and to color everything with some type of color. You can use white and it gives this nice effect, or you can use any other color, and grid lines are no longer seen, but they're still there. They're just covered by a background color, and that's not an ideal solution. I'm gonna Control Z, and I'm gonna show you the solution that I prefer. It's by going to the View tab over here, and we have this Show group right here, and this is the group that we can use to control if we can see the formula bar, if you can see the headlines, and also the grid lines. And I'm deselecting the grid lines and they are gone. And the good part is that this kind of setting only applies to the worksheet that you're working on. So if I add new sheets and I go over them, as you can see, the grid lines are still there, but on my dashboard they're gone. And if you want to turn them back, you just have to check the option and they're back. That's it. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.